Now leave that camera alone. Don't touch it.
Oh, he's going down the hill.
Where did he go?
Daddy's already proven the road's nothing but orange. It's warm enough to go out here, Daddy. Can we go? They're not charged.
Our things ain't charged.
When they
Hey, oh yeah, mine.
Where's my camera?
Don't touch it.
Right
It's
there.
perfectly got a sharp view. Don't touch it, Isaiah.
Yeah, it does. It has a pretty good view. Woo!
That's been ice.
I don't know if they can. You fly off the porch stuff and then land on the road.
Why? What you got to do? It is already ice. Y'all stay off that road.
No, I mean if you're putting
Was that abandoned hit something?
I don't think so.
Look, they're trying to pass people. I wish it. Oh, I should never.
That's pink.
Okay.
I'm already out here, so. Remember, nature, do your stuff.
Did they hurt their hood on the hill?
I think so. Oh! Yes. Cooking, suckers. Cooking! Cooking! If you see that one time, freaking hit it in the face.
Look at this pizza car guy. He
Pizza
thinks he's cool.
Pizza. One of the pizza things fell off. It's Domino's.
Look, he can't even make it.
Yeah,
I knew
but
he couldn't.
it's Domino's.
Well,
One of his Domino's things fell off and he ran out. Domino's pizza. Domino's pizza. Domino's pizza.
I watched him as he stood there. I was like, watch this idiot. He's gonna go up the hill in that little car.
Domino's.
Oh no, you'll be turning back
Here,
around.
hon.
You'll be turning back around.
Oh, another one in the ditch. Oh, full circle, full circle, full circle.
Oh, looped it, loop.
What?
That car was turning around. Why were you excited about that?
I know, he was going to go, and
Oh
he's like,
my God, Mom.
he was going to go, and then he's like, what the fuck?
It's stuff, Daddy.
Mom, this big
was
four-wheel
that?
drive truck with a
What was that
four-wheel on the
like?
back, Mom, slid off the road.
Are they going to try it again?
Nothing if you were in that. You've done it.
Look, that pizza car can't go nowhere either. He's got back up.
Oh, they're going to hit each other. They're going to hit each other.
One's waiting.
Oh, so they call the police. Look, they've got something hanging off the bottom of their car.
Oh my God, it's a mess. It's a mess. I don't know, about 11, 12.
Follow that. He does right.
Already started your video, so there's second video now.
No.
Yeah, don't make them too long. Kind of restart them here and there. Hello, baby. Cars are on the wrong side of the road and everything.
Oh no, it's going.
Oh, he got turned around?
Yeah, he got turned around. Looks like they got a flat. Did they got a flat, Nicholas?
No. Not on this side.
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't. Not on this side.
Oh. I get a little excited when they go in the ditch. Sorry.
You scream too loud.
We got a pizza car stuck on the hill.
I knew Pizza Boy wasn't making it.
Yeah, pizza car. Pizza delivery
He's like,
car.
why did I ever take this job?
If anybody can see us standing here from top of the hill, they ought to know what we're out here for.
We're recording. We're getting it.
It ain't cold out
People,
here.
cars are starting to stop. Cars are trying to stop at the bottom of the hill and stop other cars until I'm knocked off the hill, but they're not listening.
And the funny thing is, there ain't hardly no snow out.
All right, well, I'm going to get after her. I'll post the videos just as soon as I get them recorded.
Somebody ain't getting their pizza hot.
All right, love you later.
Now they're going to try it again. He's taking a ram at it, though. Now this guy backed off once. Let's see if it was a mistake to go back up.
He's got that big old Bronco thing. It shouldn't make it up okay. But I
Well,
don't
he
know.
had trouble when he first started.
I don't know. That truck with the four-wheeler in the back didn't.
He's missing a light. If he already come through here and get hurt, that's his light broke.
Y'all, if you see a car
Don't
come this
stand on
way,
edge on the
you
floor.
run to that way.
Yeah, you guys stand behind me because if a car... Okay, if you guys stand behind me because if a car goes to wreck into our fence, I'm shoving you. Those Ohio State Department of Roads. No, that's AEP, ain't it?
He ain't even charging nothing. Here goes a car gonna slip. Look, I knew it, Barbara, I knew it, look. You can tell by how nervous they are.
This car's going too fast.
Nah, they're okay as long as they're going up. What's gonna suck if one of these people that got nervous slams into somebody that was going up this line.
Oh, it's old.
Yeah, go back in the house, boys.
Look, everybody turning there like, oh, this dipshit ain't coming down
We're
for a
not
while.
getting back in the house.
Good man. Geysers and ammonia coming around there. The flu.
They ain't gonna get it from the outside.
Right.
Well, there's 3 potholes.
I'll be right back again. Okay, right there, boys.
Okay. Okay, we'll try not to go to car. Let's look at the camera so far. Come on, look. I can see it from here. Merry Christmas, you suckers. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Oh my, you don't start.
Ninjas to the extreme. Oh, he's in the ditch. He's in the ditch. Ditch, Todd. Ditch,
Oh, this car's going way too fast. Oh!
Ambulance. Oh, the ambulance are here. Yes.
Oh, they might have stopped.
I think they're drunk.
They went up on the hill twice. They almost turned their vehicle over on its top.
Yeah, I think they're drunk, Mama. I think did he lose one of his tire inside? Oh, Mommy, he's missing a part of his tire.
That was a nice view, wasn't it?
He's missing a piece of his tire.
Who did it? That guy or the one in front of him?
The guy in the front of him was going too slow.
Oh yeah, and he rode the
That
hill.
turned the car over its top.
Oh, people shut the road down. Whee!
Oh!
They're going to hit a pole.
Did you see that car go off on the hill like this?
Yeah, it rode it twice. Did you see it both times?
Yeah.
It came down.
Should we stop the video and start it over so they're not too long of videos?
Did you hear that?
You overturned, you went, oh, I thought he was turning.
Is phone calling somebody shut the
I
road
think
down?
so.
Give me that start.
No.
I ain't going nowhere. I thought I was going to look at cat food and take the easy way.
Please, Daddy.
Please what? I ain't going nowhere,
Don't
son.
get it.
You want Daddy to get hurt?
No. Daddy's a good driver, though. I know he won't.
Oh.
What?
Are you calling to get the road shut down?
No.
You see that car go all the way up on its side? It got flipped over on its top.
It rode the hill 3 times.
It rode that
You're
hill
gonna
on the
die.
hill.
Yeah.
It was not on its top. Yeah. These people are
That's
stupid.
real.
I know, they don't know how to drive.
Guys. Probably drunk.
They hit that hill more than 10 times now.
I heard somebody crunch
Cars
something.
ain't working right.
It wouldn't be so bad if the cars weren't made of plastic nowadays.
Yeah, it's true. These cars are stupid. They're going around each other and
There's an
everything.
animal sliding across.
We're
You gotta catch them
videotaping.
up.
They need to get cops or something over here.
That won't do no good.
He's right up
It's
there.
What I'm worried about them hitting an electric bar or something, and that's not having an electric.
Yeah. Cops ain't gonna shut the road down.
Or them hitting our fence.
I've never seen this road shut down.
They need to. Or these cars, I see cars stopping here telling them not to go to the hill, but they're not listening.
Don't.
That car
Don't
is
over there.
no fire murder.
You won't.
Depends on how stupid they get.
Yeah.
See, when they trip like that, that's when they get the problem.
That one car about went on its top.
Yeah.
But there was an ambulance right here. It was getting ready to turn, so I thought, oh, they might have to stop.
Now, when they brake on that hill, they can't make it.
No. No chance. You got another start?
No.
No. You look awful silly and not start fast. I think the cars are slowing down on the hill, though.
Yeah. It'll freeze up tonight and I'll have more problems.
Probably.
Thanks for leaving.
Spin 'em. cross, go.